Okay, join me as I put this coop door, automatic door, solar powered, on one of my chicken coops. So, on the little guy's coop, the little midgies. They're gonna love it. And the feeder, and I'm gonna climb in here. Oh, which isn't gonna be easy, considering I'm a big bitch. Hopefully, I can get out. That's all I gotta say. Hopefully. What are you doing? What are you doing, sweet pea? She just wants to be all up in my business, doesn't she? Let's see. Whoa! Was that made for this? But it doesn't work because it's just like it tucks there. But I can't slide this behind it. It looks like it was made for this. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so we had to improvise with a board. So the board is going to kind of play a part of holding it in. She's watching you. To the coop. Leverage. There we go. I have no leverage in here. No leverage. Pissing everybody off. More leverage there. That was good. Yeah, that's going to keep it in place. One more. One more! You use your booby. You use your booby. So look, this is pretty dang stable. I might do one hole here, keep this door pushed in to keep everything. I just hope it doesn't split. Or it'll keep my door from coming out. We'll do one more. This door literally fits